Oh wow. So now your family, your ancestors, I guess where you grow up.
No.
So what that place a name?
Yes, I name Richmond, Delitara.
Richmond.
A birthplace of Normal Manley.
Okay.
Roxborough, that's up ahead. Heard about Roxborough?
No.
Roxborough, Normal Manley come from?
Okay.
Just up ahead. I just a sweet potato uplifter.
So this is your farm.
This is my farm. Also over there is my farm.
How much acres is this?
Carl said this here near, this half.
Half a acre.
Yeah. With uplifter.
What is uplifter?
Uplifter is sweet potato. In 3 months time you can reap. 3 to 4 months you can start reap potato out of the ground.
So the man them tell us say, give me the mats it for me. The bulldozer for half a acre.
Alright. It all depends on for plow 1 acre of land of 40,000.
And you have the good man them.
And we have workman. We use 3 workman plant this. Yeah, we pay them a day, we pay them 3,000 a day. For them day work.
For 1 day them
1 day, 3,000.
But you have to prepare the land before.
Alright, first thing now, we spray the land, we buy chemical and spray the land. Let the land burn down. After the land burn down, we go through it, we light it. After we light it, we remove all big stone and pack them one place. So the tractor man now, he come and give a 3 cut again. He give first cut. We plow up the land and we leave there. When the land plow up, we throw the fall manure and we throw fertilizer and we leave it for 2-3 weeks that they go on soaking in the earth. So the land, then the tractor man come the other, and after 2 weeks, he come again and trench the land.
So I am separated.
Yeah, I'm separate. So now after that, most likely we nobody get in the cheat and we just do one trench and row in a one. So meanwhile him a trench and row, we have the workman them pan spot start plant.
Got it.
So basically we cut the slip, we put on the slip for 2 days. Because when they slip, we get the slip them steel so they start burst. So they catch off easy, we put them in the earth.
Do you have to buy the slips?
Approximately we buy and we get. It all depends. When you're a farmer, you have friends.
Friends,
you know?
yeah.
So friends give you things and you give friends things.
Yes.
So in the business, everything's all about money.
True.
Yeah,
so a lot enough sharing in Jamaica going.
Yeah. Sharing going on, but it all depends on the type of
The
person.
people.
Yeah,
I deal with.
Yeah, so you so now the ground just reached 2 months ago. So 1 month ago, 2 months now. So we are cut down the stick now to give the ground more air, more sunlight.
Okay.
So the carbohydrate now depends on so the potato start swell. So we spray with sugar sweetness and we show it's sugar explorer.
So now that already fertilizer, treatment, payment, work, you talk about 1,000 US, but
Approximately run after to that.
for just half a acre.
After acre.
Okay. So for 1 acre, you have to double that.
Yeah,
But the profit per 1,000 for half a acre probably about 3,000. So about 2,000 profit you're gonna make.
it can be more.
And you have the market for it regardless, the exporters.
We have both local and export.
Okay.
It all depends. It all depends on the season of the potato coming into. You know.
Got it.
So if you catch a market, you make a great money. If you don't catch a market, you still give thanks. Because we plant slip in the earth and it come with food. So we give
thanks for
thanks
the work you
for
put
God
in. So
creative.
all the youth them when no one do it, is it because they don't have the money or them lazy? A man like you, how did you start? Was this always your thing?
Basically, you know, farming is not really always my thing, you know. Just when we come around here, so we support the elder. Basically, we just name sunshine. So if I'm in my part, I have to have a look at farming. And from there, so...
I'm starting.
Yeah. Now come. I can't go in the ground. Honestly, because I can't push on my face down tonight. So we just do it hard.
So I'm teacher.
I'm teaching. Approximately in a farm, you know, because it's a 4 year ago now.
Mm-hmm.
I go on the thing, we plant yam, sweet potato, sorrel.
Take care of your
cocoa.
youths and things.
Yeah, we use it, take care of the youth, you know, so I eat with thing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Also, I like a farmer with rather.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I hear you can graft too. You went to
we can
school.
budding and grafting. We go eat them, budding and grafting.
So
and
Jamaica is not all them say. People really want to set out and move and just the opportunity.
Personal, enough person in a sense feel like when they go to a different country they find better. But if you can set yourself in a build your own country and build yourself in your own country, or you save energy you build another man's country, you could have put it in your own country. Because we have every resource here. What you know? Enough people are fight to come to Jamaica. Because we have a lot of resources. What you know, in Jamaica, you know, we are local farmer. In a farm, you can't get a local farmer if you do like this. So as a local farmer, we make money off of it. So we give thanks to JA.
Yeah, man.
Nothing like JA.
That's why I have to try to show them.
So the beauty of the place.
Look at someone. So like me is a machine, them call me Captain Farmer. I think I can do this myself. I don't need no help, you know. I can run through this, you know, Jason. I don't go race, you know, because I go invent some things. And
I say.
But
you can, you what? You know
I think me one can run through it, you know.
No, don't do that.
Don't do that.
No, don't do that.
I love it, man. Honor to you.
Friday, yeah.
Honor to you, brother. You are the Jamaica. You are Jamaica good life signature because you really are do. So when you say to the ghetto youth them, if let's say a couple ghetto youth say, yo, I want to come help you or learn.
We teach them, we're willing to teach them.
So we can link them with you.
Willing to teach them.
Good,
The
good.
more handy, more better for we, you know.
Them
must in a life when you want to learn to do a thing, you know.
Yeah, fair.
You have to come help out
Volunteer.
and do the thing, you know. So you can't sit down and say only, you have to come and active. And catch on. I say if I do mechanic, you have to go there for help post crew. So when you come now, you have to slip off and move from there, so you have to up running. I watch the person, how them are put in. You have to know the slip off, set the slip.
You have enough and not just boom.
When you just plant, you have to know the top from the bottom. You have to know the right how to set the slip. You have to know how you
And the spacing.
How to do it.
Good. So yeah, so we love it.
Yeah, so we are ghetto youth, but until we come from ghetto, you have to uplift yourself. It's not the ghetto make we make ourselves who we want to be.
5 years now unite or hold on?
4 years ago down.
4 years.
Yeah.
You see the benefit.
Oh God, if you don't see benefit, you won't know I do it.
And you love it.
You try to do it long time. When me and Jay Sarah do it at them time, we try to do it. I'm at him time we are building.
Are you inspired him?
No, him always plant where him thing of get him brain high. Yes. So now they legalize now, saying if you can get the license and start planting.
And do him thing.
Yes, because it's a good medicine. So we are made
Are you
right
born
now.
in Manchester?
You're from Manchester.
Wow. Give a shout out to some people. Family, mother, father.
Big up the white family them. All over the world.
Mm-hmm.
No matter white or black. One blood, one nation, and one name.
And give them, you know, so me like one call you short boss. You know, so what your name, first name?
Sure not.
Sure not.
Sure not.
So what your nickname, Jason?
Gaza.
Gaza.
AKA Buki.
AKA Buki. Alright, sir. This is the dream. You did it. Respect to you. Look on a nice view, sir. So you
Nice view of Jamaica.
get some tangerine too. Man called Gaza. See it there? Gaza no mean really war, right? It's a productivity of cook hunting to the world. Wow. Our tangerine tree nice, eh? So anybody want to learn the thing, link up Gaza. See the tangerine there. Or them say in a real life. So you them have to pay for it?
Yeah.
So even on the slip you make your thing?
Yeah, all depends.
And who?
Because it's an investment, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I wash out the farm clothes from yesterday with me and Jason in the ground farm. Yeah. So all of the farm clothes and the weather for a week.
So the woman in my phone I look and say, him Chris too.
Yeah, man, we wash the man. Watch out now. We are Jamaican, you know. Watch out now, we are Jamaican, you know. We learn to wash, cook, clean, you know.
Yeah, man.
And press, you know.
Yeah.
So we have to help out around the house, you know.
No, you see, we were in
Me talk about me, street.
So everything.
Yes, can sew everything. Me also is also married to, you know.
You married?
Yeah.
Is that your
beautiful
lady?
wife right here and my kids them.
So you are married for it's a whole show for you. We don't do no YouTube channel, man. We don't call Gaza and the wife. Hello. Blessings.
So right now, the kind of tell me say some land up son right now, me have a plant potato out there right now. So we are expand the thing. So more expand the thing and more we broadcast it, put it up. We have a farm group. We have the farm group there, the White Ranch.
Yeah.
That is our farm logo,
Group.
the name of our farm.
So you have a team.
Yeah, me and my wife, she kind of come now. She kind of come now. Me and my wife, you know.
So she do the farm too?
Yeah, she come there to help me.
That's why I tell Kind of say the little picking them can put sweet pepper in the tray. Me not put sweet pepper in a tray.
Yeah.
You see me, at 200 look hole him have and want me if you sit down and put sweet pepper in a tray.
Yeah, man.
We can't do that.
Just make one sleep in my bed.
No, Gaza. Him go buy a tree, you know now we just
I him tell me to buy
Make
the
bed,
tree.
yeah.
Him see it, but him see them and say, alright, you want tree.
I know some, no, him
Him see
say,
tree them and say, you want tree, so him buy a
Make bed,
tree.
them so right now.
I'm gonna buy a seed, so we are gonna put the seed there. We must
so the man sit down and want me to just put sweet pepper in a tree. I said,
I
I
want me
pick
there
you
buy
them
a tree.
things here, man.
Are you
Right
buy a
now,
tree if you do it?
I expand the business right now. More land, more potato, carrot,
Carrot too.
I
Irish.
think I carried up, but you have to soak.
So right now, and that's the thing there.
No waste of time.
We have a time.
What
so
time you wake up in the morning?
we come from 4, you know, because I have to go to bush, you know.
Oh,
When we don't come outside, I have to watch out what they clear. If you see me shadow, you know. We come from 4, because I have to see shadow around me, you know. Because I'm on expect for everything, you know. So we out there by 5:30, me there do it outside. Go get cow water, move up my goat them, come across, beat and touch your road. Go hunt the food for you them.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we don't sit down and lazy, you know. Yeah, we don't sit down and depend on people. We try to do one thing. Try to achieve one thing.
So the elder steer you in the direction.
Yeah, and then my wife can give me 100 boots of thing. More time.
Are you on the backbone?
Yeah, more time she done me like gun.
Are you beat him with the mountain line?
More time I get lazy.
She just kick you off of the bed. No
She don't start
loving.
no- She have to start cuss.
Yeah?
She don't start. You know, some we don't like in now. When she start cussing, you know, so I do it.
How old are the youths?
1, 4, almost 5.
This is a beautiful family.
Why?
We have 1 almost 12, 1, 2, and 1, 9, almost 10, 17.
Sunday.
Wow.
Sunday, I feel.
So when I know.
Today, how much again? Today, I 4.
Go Saturday.
What Tuesday, man?
Monday, Tuesday.
So you meet your wife. You're up on the battlefield and she pull you off our church.
Somebody back her feet.
Yeah, we quiet, say quiet. With me know one time, me we go to church. Not that boy.
We got church with wife, man.
Oh, no. You hear what she said? You hear what she said before me ask?
Wow.
She can't go.
So are you pull him off on the battlefield?
Yeah.
So one time, we either walk on the road and him see you, how it
What's
go?
up on the road? No, man, on the road, man. On the road, you know, tell so we're multitask, you know.
Oh, him is this selling guy. The guy will sell. So what is the other task?
Boss,
You drive a bus?
the conductor.
Conductor. Hard work that, you know, brother.
No, sir.
No?
You see, so you take the hard work, boy.
Hard work me done.
Cause you have to fight, you have to fight.
No, man.
For people for come on bus.
No, we don't fight with people come on bus. We tell people what they want to hear. It's all about things, you know. When you tell people work with, you know.
So then one day you conduct and she come on the bus.
She know me long time, and we see each other long time, but you know it's at the right time for we make the move. She look me.
Man. I see you look here.
I want space in this I can't but no. But I'm morning when the time cool.
Are you sweat at that? You must do a channel, man. The world I love for so now. You know? Gaza and what your first name?
Swayze.
Gaza and Swayze. You know, say all of them on YouTube. You're the big farmer, conductor of the children, cook your food. On the deal with it, man. I love to say the up thing, you know? Manchester.
Channel.
Yes, YouTube channel.
YouTube, man.
YouTube channel, whatever.
You see me?
Make one.
And it's
Why have to do this, the master?
why if it? Do it for you.
Why
man.
is a computer analyst, you
Think
know?
about it.
Yeah? Why is a computer analyst, you know?
Eh?
IT consultant.
Wow. So you can work remote and everything. So you get a good one. And she pull you off at the battlefield. A woman make man good, you know. Depend on the woman.
Yeah, depends.
And then now children turn boys into men.
Yeah.
And you have a little girl?
To whatever.
2 little girls. Yes. What's her name?
Yakima.
Yakina?
Yakima.
Oh,
Seriously, I'm going to show this.
you have a nice family, brother.
I'm going
You have the Jamaica dream. Warrior come off of the battlefield on the farm. That is a good story, right? Jason, at your time, go find a woman, brother.
Yeah, I give my woman, man.
Gaza, find somebody for you.
You tell him, Gaza.
Eh?
You tell him, them family not talk go. Late me gonna. You know, say one thing. We ask him in front of me and behind me. You see any age him go and get you see first the age when he go and get the first youth. Because he said the age as him to know. And that's how him one of the ever show. Ask him for ever since anything him do.
In week.
Anything him do ever do it to. Go on to ever saw the case. I made him do it. I don't know you guys. Woman weak. Put it there.
Boy,
I
nah.
want miscarriage. I don't know.
Boy, nah. Select.
It's not a selector.
Yeah, not a selector. When you see men go to them, then dead. Then I live long.
Too much bad weed.
Yeah, man, too much ganja in my brain. Too much ganja in
You have to make him cut down some of it, man.
Yeah, tell him that I'd calm him. I'd calm his nerves.
Okay.
Yeah, me drink, you know. Me not smoke, but me drink. Yeah, me drink.
Now what is your drink?
Rum.
Alcohol.
Rum, I love you all rum, man.
White rum.
White rum, give spirit. Right, I'm sure some now drinking Iron.
Or next time we'll come through.
Alright.
So why if, you know, if you make him drink too much, you know, come here to 9 Vice.
That's
Here
it.
to 9 Vice, you know. And what do you advise? Make advice was always rough?
I'm not rough. Not true, yeah, man, you have to talk to you rough, you know. Can't talk to you like girl.
No. you,
You have different type of voice.
so the red stripe of your dance and thing?
No, my old lady have a business place in Manure.
Okay.
So I feel I buckle them, you know.
Well, we're proud of you, man. So next time we come, we'll bring some rum. And
You find a black label, if you have no 1 year old Johnny Walker, we drink it up. I like it, you know.
Johnny Walker.
1 year old.
We'll put some on the grill.
Yeah, me have a grill, man.
So now yeah, so we're going to hang out.
You have a grill, man.
Yeah.
You have a grill, you can do a thing.
Gaza.
So more farm, we just need more strength.
You need more space and investment.
Yeah, enough. As we say now, it's space, you know. It's if I have a serious person around you, because once you take up one crop, you know, you just put in another crop, you know. You can use them in space. Because there's a large space, you know. You have to just know how to use up the space. You understand? Because if you sit down and say we want more space, where you have enough space. Because we have all of them space so we can use them up.
Okay.
That means so we have to take up, we have put in. This after you take up the one, you just put back the one they have this. So see how there's a rotate.
Yes, rotate.
So we can't sit down and say we want this, we want that.
You have to just move.
You have to just move.
Whatever
to
little
it,
one step at a time.
Just move to it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You don't know what I'm doing. When you your business, I'm going to come and say, you hear me? It's a 20-acre land there. We are working. You don't know when the time comes.
Because a brother called me and said, Ron, me have 35 acres in a St. Mary. And then I do nothing, 4 picnic mob. And I say, yeah. So me I think what if a plan upon it when nobody won't thief. We thief it, but if I make the neighbor watch it and give him a percentage, him will monetize.
I'll show you go.
How it go?
It's when you go to them place, find out all who are ground thief them.
Okay.
All who thief, them response to the ground.
And cut them in upon the deal.
All who are the thief,
Pay them for what you got.
them you have to pay for watching.
Got it.
So anything missing,
Them.
at them.
So,
So them want the money, you know.
so once I get the monthly salary,
Watch
them
them.
not touch them.
Yeah, you reverse psychology for
Good.
them. You're intelligent, but you reverse psychology. You know them are thief, but they say, you can't get them, no. You say, oi, you know what your people are say? Prove them.
Got
Prove
it.
them wrong. So watch now. You break down the thief them. First thing you know, if a man go them and kill a man, come and say, yo, everybody else say, I'm on me. You don't want that. That means my supermarket tomorrow be a thief of work in there. Each thief I watch every thief. So all of them I get fired one time.
Christmas
Yeah,
with Gaza. Pay the thief them, watch the thief them,
Yes.
and nothing gets stolen.
No, because if nobody know I lose their work, rest of it they're nice. Every time you go there, you find out what they love. You can't go get them. First thing you can't make them know when you come. You can't study at no time. They say you just up here, man, say, you know, in the area, man. Yeah. So the people in our life, man, we know what I play with people. So we are use with energy and use with it.
So whenever you're dealing with people and a man start class you and thing, how do you hold your
me.
anger? Anger, how you hold it back?
First time, you know, tell you the truth now, first time we couldn't hold it, you know. First time we couldn't hold it, man, no time. We never usually take no talk from nobody. We just do people things. And so right now, as we say now, with each time you get older and older, your brain mature more, you know, you get wiser. So, if a man tell you something right now, so like send up and eat a mother, just remember say, yo, you have a mother, a boy come from 2 man can't tell her that. Because a boy come from a mother now will tell her that. So in a life now, we learn to control your anger, more time you get better way, you know. Because more time you have to prove, show them say you're a man, you know, you're not a boy, you know. As Ken Roger says, sometimes you have to fight to show that. Yeah.
Gaza.
You have to be real. Because you can't, in a life, you know, in Jamaica, if you're soft, they walk by you, you know.
Notice that.
That is Jamaica now.
Yeah.
Jamaica's a nice place, you know.
But if
But you can't soft,
if them things say you're soft.
people use you. Don't to your own family, don't to your own friend.
Yes.
So what you know, you have to have a set of things a man knows, say, you this. But I violate the thing. You respect me, I respect you. If you don't respect me, I don't respect you. So anytime I book it, always going to be a war. So we gotta learn to control me anger. More time I get the best of me, because no man perfect. Then get you out, you know, you show them fear heart, you know. As I say, we are try to do with you. As I could get a youth. In life, we know fully rich, you know, because rich and comfortable. We just want money, take care of kids, take care of wife. My wife can go up on a boat ride. Yeah, just full job yourself, because you don't know when we are going dead.
True.
So we just go and do a thing.
But if a man come close,
Oh God, man. No. as we say, we don't set it, we set we name in the street. So a person now play around. I must a person wanna know it. First thing when they hear we name, the man said, them a man there, them a behave themselves, you know, man, sir. The man they run the road, you know, normal thing, you know.
The farm was your savior.
Say, wifey too.
A wifey too.
And they farm, like, I have a farm, still like a problem, you know.
So more likely in Jamaica, the woman sometimes
The woman,
calm the man down.
if you have a real woman on your foot,
Mm-hmm.
and you say she love you,
Mm-hmm.
certain things you should take time, broke you down from it. Because a person just can't come on top of say, you know.
First time, 1 for every 2 weeks.
So, he does take time and break you down.
I want to take that for every first 2 weeks.
I'm telling you, he does take time and
Both, you know.
broke you down, change up certain things more, you. And some place I say, I don't go. So sit down and my wife got some go sit down, full jar meat, some different type of people. And I have to adjust myself. Because the world is a big place, you know.
That's what I tell you, them I say, traveling is the sweetest thing, you know.
The world is a big place, and you find when you meet different people, you know, you get different understanding about certain things in life. Get different views of certain things. Yeah.
So if the minister watch this now and get a tractor for you, him can just call and we'll link you up and get you a tractor.
Oh, that is the thing now.
Mm-hmm.
If we have a tractor,
Yeah.
guess how the farming start.
But I have some brethren going to start write some petition to the backside company
I see
then.
the tractor now.
You know, I know
Have
what
a
it's
tractor, you can't.
Come here, sir, Jason can drive it.
They might drive her.
Yeah, no, that me tell you.
I'm not sure him on camera, you know.
No, I'm telling you, I see. No, actually, I ever since. Him, I only love to take picture.
Mm.
You can find one of those pictures where him go. I ask him most of the pictures you can find with me, man. In night, I'm ever there, so I don't take picture, man.
No, if you hide from me now.
We'll get Jason the safe and success route.
Yeah, so him and the driver. People pay for plow land, you know, so you make you up and you have a plow people land. So in a life, you 2 years you invest off it, 2 years you achieve off a tractor. So but if you don't take care of tractor, you know, take care of you. So you know, so you just have a tractor, you know, care, high service and everything there.
Because you can't wash up the tractor body itself.
Tractor for racing, man.
You can't wash up the tractor itself, you can't wash up on the
A
tractor.
engine, man, say.
Engine and then, you know.
So if you have a tractor, take a day and just know that a day that tractor day for give me service.
Every Wednesday for every week.
Yes, so every man can say it's on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, tractor not up on Wednesday. Tractor clean up, service, Thursday, tractor ready for come on road. So my man can work with that.
The hydraulic style change.
So you know mechanic too, Jason?
Then for the tractor, I do the tractor force, I have to know a little about the tractor.
If you know if I had to drive a tractor, if you know how you tractor, put a tractor top on it, can't tell what cars it. So in my tractor driver, as I said, if tomorrow man only lot of the apartment or tractor, me a tractor. Because people have a house to live. Look investment. My wife teach me to think out of the box, not inside the box. Think outside
You're
the box.
proud to say your wife a teach you.
Yeah. The one who usually think me done.
Wife, you get enough big up around here, sir, no? The man you love you.
No, used to think one way me done.
Yeah, charge up for daddy.
One way used to think is it. Yeah man, certain things. Wife you change up the moral to many things. You know what is what.
The greatest thing is when a man give him wife credit.
She do it and I me do it. No, yeah, we just adapt to it, it could be a change, right? And someone, first time I had someone ever borrowed a man even know it. I mean, I do tricks time, man.
I tell him, first time we left out around 6 o'clock and reach man, 7 o'clock.
Yeah, man.
We are drinking from 7 o'clock, about 2 o'clock in the midnight. We are go, the next morning we are go, we are drinking straight back until late.
And we don't pay feet.
What do you mean?
We don't pay feet. I work in a bar pay feet. Look at bar, I win a bar for pay feet. I bartender pay feet, you know.
What kind of life we not deal with?
Bartender love for you, man.
Yeah, cause to protect them.
to protect them. We love we have. That's just about them.
If I want to know it.
They want to know it. So that's what they want to drink.
Ah, boy.
Oh, come home. So you jolly the lad.
Every boy in town now. I want you guys longest you can walk at the boy for now. Try to see with it anyway, I'm on the different.
No real life. Una the realest me ever interview still.
I don't tell you.
Una come off of the back of field on the real field.
We done every Friday we in a war first time now. Man a fight the turf, man a fight for this, you know. Man a say you can't cross this and boy. But you can't tell us you can't go away this way, so man every town, you know. You go everywhere now man every town.
I don't know, being real officer and go beat him money when I'm
We have to replace, we go everywhere. Nobody, we no borderline to nowhere. Man, if you have to replace, I'm free if you walk me anyway. So, tattoo up, bleach out.
Tell me about the bleaching now. What does that do for your man?
I mean, that don't, you really don't, you just enlighten your skin, you know. I mean, to a man, a man say, you want to look white. So you check out it, your color, you like, you don't really like your color.
Why you not like a color?
No, me say, come here, when you check out the thing when you bleach, you come like, you don't like your color.
So you've never bleached?
The bleach, man.
You bleach now?
No, me talk, no.
Why you talk?
You hear me?
The wife?
I don't really want, it damage your skin to you know. Wife not too like it. But it damage your pigment of your skin too. So you have to look out for your health more time in life. You can't look. Just that the way you look.
And sometimes the people don't want to show them tats.
Yeah? Skin that get too thin.
Do you get more woman when you bleach? The Jamaican them like the brown skin man them?
The Jamaican girl. They like the bleachers them.
Not all of them.
They like the bleachers them also. And then you interview this enough.
Your wife, real.
Charge it. Charge it around here.
In a real life, this is God. Yo, you have to do a channel, man. The people them are gonna love you. Gaza, you see me?
Alright, you know. I wash farm clothes, I help me wash them. So I know we have a clear farm clothes, we are in a bush.
So every day you wash your clothes?
Every week when I wash, your clothes I wash. I have to wash your farm clothes, I have to smell good enough. Chew in a bush. Remember we have the farm clothes, man, we don't care. Water, boat, go through.
You have bush go today for the town, that is it, man. I don't want to look, you know, we don't business.
Farm clothes in the town, man, so we're going to want to care people can't say you smell, you can't believe it's dirty clothes in you smell good. Yeah, personal hygiene come first, you know, no matter what you're doing in life, you know. Personal hygiene.
So the Kingston man, them want to come check you and hold a vibe. Alright. I have some brethren in the States, you know. We want to learn the thing. And they want to learn it from real people. And sometimes they want to come Manchester because them know.
Yeah.
No Manchester. I'm going to link them up with you.
You have a link, man. See, you have a link. See, yesterday, you have a link. And you have to set the thing. Set the thing when you want to, you know, and just know, say.
Now, some man who want to do some business with some people, so no straight up. Not because no bad man must lean up the thing, you know.
Let me show you something like that. Let me show you something. Now, I'll teach you something like that.
Yeah, teach me.
You see, if a man want you really, a man have to really with him. A man have to really with himself first before he can really with somebody. You can't look upon a man and say real.
You have to test him.
Watch out, now, like, you can't test a man until we're done, you know. You don't test people, man. You just love person let him be. You find out how easy. Because for a man real, you know, it don't take too long for sure say they're real. For a man real, thick and thin. Thick and thin, yeah, fully down true. And I laugh, you know, it make no sense of a man of a billion. So a man else, alright. And this man going, and you never go, and this man come on billion. I man say, yo, 50-50. If you give me a 60-40, me take the 40, me good. I'm a really thing, you know. Me know how to do it my 40, me know how to spin it. Yes, that's me. Read till the end. Straight till the end, me done. When I have no time, every now I really doing my essence.
Long term.
Yeah, long term. I look on short thing. Because I mash up the thing. I look on investment, that means every time we get hold, we youth them still can gain off of it.
Yeah.
If they want, because you know everybody when they grow up, then have to then choose to them part of life what they want to do. You can't tell them for what them for do, you know. But they have their own choice in life.
Yeah.
But right now the biggest you know the biggest thing. Watch it, insurance is the biggest thing for her. You check insurance them, like you insure your car, and you have over 50 years, you know you resign, you don't get back the dollar, them, none of the money them, you know. So them, what jacket suit thief them there? What you mean?
The biggest scam in the country, my politician.
The policy, watch out the policy. If you crash now, say you have, watch out, you have first and third, you will crash. And when the money for you much thing, them tell us say, like your money you give them, you know, if you meet an accident, you know, that the money come across now, they might tell you, they know I insure you back again, because you cause you. What if you cause one of your money?
Sometimes you just start paying meet an accident.
No, sir, go. And you can't have accident.
Never know.
Watch how you try to avoid it. Because today, your site, you buy, you go, your just running and you run at somebody. Because watch how God make people with fault, and man make machines, so you can't tap, can't do anything.
Can't tap nothing.
All right.
God no make no man with no fault.
What you mean, come on, deform the fault them there?
And not God make them with
I will make them. Are they sperm?
No man, a man cripple, him can't walk. I God make him.
Yeah, you mean? God make people with fault, man.
God make them whole and them serious do things.
No, but other peers make them cripple.
Really?
Yeah.
If a man born with Alzheimer's disease, I God make him.
Yeah, shit. All right, sunshine. See, man, we boss me. Let's give a thing interview. And I'm on there.
So this is the
Right there, man.
elder. It always takes an elder to transfer the thing. Gungo. A good life this. Me never know, sir. When I have so much fun.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so.
From real youth. Out of the slum.
From the battlefield to the real field. Hello, sir. I'm Randy from Jamaica. Good life.
Yes,
And I heard that your name is Sunshine, and are you taking from the battlefield to the field? Tell us about that journey when you meet him.
His journey.
The journey when you meet him and mold him and tell him, say, if you're going to hang out with me, you have to have a farm. So you're born around here, and you farm for how many years?
I'm doing it still.
And how old are you now?
72.
72. Strong. Vegan. Still eat the pork?
Yeah.
Still a manage girl, So, what did you instill in him?
Well, man, he's been going to court to and fro. Wow. Every other week.
Yeah.
So when I get to meet him, I told him that kind of pick and stand associating with me, you know, you have to do some for my work, you know, you keep the eyeglass on me.
Okay.
And as a youngster, young and fit, if you're going to be amongst around me, you have to do as I did. And I say, so what I do, I show him the techniques I work in cultivating farm, what type of farm. First him starts planted was sweet potato. Then I introduced him to yam. And he started planted with yam. Until I introduced him to cattle rearing. And then buy up some goats, you know. And then after start they buy a little calf and grow it until it come big and have calf. But I'm going on fine now, you know. Can have 2 or 3 cows.
So you're happy, you send on the tradition, you send it down to him, pass it on. Wow, it's an honor. You're one of the Jamaica Good Life star elder.
Yeah.
That's what we try to do, we try to motivate. We try to tell the people I'm abroad, say, the big man never retire.
Yeah.
They must make use of them energy and come help the the young youth them, because that's the only way I will get them out of crime is for father them, right? So you have children?
Yeah.
How many?
5.
Are they here in Jamaica?
2 is here. 2 is here.
Okay. And you want to say anything to them like hello, send them love? This is going all over the world.
Okay. Yeah, I would like to big up my daughter, Opal.
Hope.
She's working at the Mandeville Public Health Department. And I want to encourage her to keep on doing the good work for the government, you know, and for our country. I also would like to pick up Rupi, Hyson, Simone, Janet and the rest of the family. My sister, Doreen, my brother, Garfield, Cedric, and all the rest of the family. I also like to pick up the Plummer family in St. Catherine and those in Manchester also.
If you had to speak to the government as far as farming and getting tractors for the farmers, what would you advise the government to do more for farming?
Well, what I would advise them to do is to let's see if they can get a tractor for each division. Divisional, you know.
Okay.
Because majority of the time, you have some people have the intention of working, you know, but
Hold on.
the manpower alone can't do it.
Can't
They need a tractor. And with the assistance of the government by giving them a tractor, well, we wouldn't expect them to give them the tractor without collecting some farmer money. Buy a tractor for the area, work it in the area, and collect for it. They wouldn't collect. I wouldn't looking for them to collect as much as they collect ordinarily, or the ordinary tractor man would do. But keep a tractor in the area. Yeah. That is the most important thing we need towards farming.
Because if they can remove the bauxite, even the bauxite company can reinvest with tractors.
Yeah.
So this is Manchester I'm traveling through to meet. Now what is the name of this area?
This area is known as Bel Retiro. Bel Retiro.
Bel Retiro.
Yeah.
And what is it?
Otherwise, over there, see where you're looking over the hill there.
Yes, sir.
Over there is where Mr. Norman Manley was born. That's over there is Roxborough.
Roxborough.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you go around, drive on the road, and if you go out to the gate of Roxborough and go in, you can see the monument and things that they have over there. A museum is there.
Okay.
And,
I keep seeing that sign.
Yeah, Roxborough.
To go to
It
Roxborough.
leads you to the museum.
Oh, I got it. Okay, now I know.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to check it out one day.
Yeah.
Now I'm on Monday. So does the government do a lot for the farmers right now?
Yeah, not bad. They're doing well as far as I understand, because I am the president for the Farmers Association, you know.
Around this area. So they could contact you and figure out how.
They contact me. I go to meeting regularly, you know. We have a group and things that.
So okay, so you're the elder.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure. Your name again, sir?
Linford Plummer.
Linford
Otherwise
Plummer.
known as Sunshine.
Sunshine. It's Randy Pottinger from Jamaica Good Life.
Okay.
So when we edit this, we promote farming, land acquisition, we promote herbal videos, we interview the elders for like here in Gully, right?
Okay.
We go through Jamaica. It's been a long time I've been doing it. And a lot of people from abroad is relearning that Jamaica is not negative.
Okay.
Because the impression online when the foreigners watch it is that people go kill them when they come home. For safety in Manchester, that is all over Jamaica, they must say crime. You see. So we are trying to tell them, say, no, that is not Jamaica 100%. So our program try to show the positive sides of Jamaica, because the negative side is right now is outweighing the public view abroad. And if we keep seeing the negative, we're not coming home. All right, nice meeting you again. Respect.
That's a 30 feet.
All right, Gaza
Yes, sir.
and family. Thank you, sir.
And
And Mrs. said up on the steady road, so Jason can't really slip up because I'm hang out with you.
long time apart. That's an adjustment now. Right now, we smoke this, so we have some land up, so we are going to burn them up for you later.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Ram. Easy, easy. Gaza goat. Come, meet the king. Where you going? Me tell you easy, you know. You know, say Jamaica good life for trying to do that. Easy yourself. You're a mountain goat. Don't. Hey, now talk to you. Don't go answer. Yes, sir. Wait, yes, sir. Nice. Good, not interested. The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
Yo, Max up there. Oh, see how they play, you see how they
Jimmy, no woman want a road, want a Rasta man.
Yeah, man, 20. Want a woman too. Oh, no. That's right, no. Yeah, man.
This is Jamaica good life. See the vibe.
What life for reality? No one knows.
Seen there. Just adjacent. What haven't said to the people then?
I just Jamaica good life. I just say that.
I know everything good about it.
Everything of it good.
Jimmy, tell the people something about yourself. This is your introduction to the world.
I'm a chef at profession, isn't it?
Chef,
Yeah.
where? Where you located?
St. Elizabeth, Junction area.
Eh? No one can check Jimmy in a junction. So you born and grow in Junction?
No, I'm a Manchester man still. I'm just live down there, see?
Okay, okay.
Watch your road, daddy.
Gaza even do food delivery too.
Yeah.
The man do farming,
Straight ahead.
Yeah.
conducting, and him have him own food delivery company. How is it?
We are do it, man. We are do it, man. See, kinda, yeah. Body arms, kinda, yeah.
Oh, I'm kind of Jason.
AKA Jason. They're on the carrying the food, go give people that go crazy.
Cook out.
People them love the food, everybody are requesting food.
What?
Food, everybody has their food, nice.
What time you wake up?
We wake up from 3:30.
Left, right.
Left from 3:30.
So you have to go make this a regular thing. How often you do your cook out?
What you know? Right now, to the cookout and stressing the farmer a better thing. So what you know? Another next 2 months you will do it again. Yeah, after the January, February, we do it again. And so it's set and so are the people them are doing.
So how do you receiving the love from the world?
Receive, thank everybody for looking loving and everything wanna show me, the grace, everything. Now people want to know the meaning of me tattoo them for my hand same way. Tattoo them don't mean nothing but me tattoo them my kids them name. And my mother name, father name. And some of my twin angel them.
Right.
So we give thanks, thank everybody who shout out and give me the strength. So we are going to
So what we expect to eat today at the cookout?
Yeah, we have pork, chicken, fish, steamed fish, escabeche fish, fried chicken, lemons.
Yo, Jason, did you help you cook?
Yeah, Jason chip in and give us strength when you see we get frustrated because I'm one in the kitchen and the chef up. And we give thanks to the help when you give and we're grateful for everything. I'm grateful for Randy again for tuning in for show everything live again.
Yeah, man, give
See, we have let have another food right there, power service place right there, so.
Okay.
Let's turn right now get on us, Jimmy.
Right there.
Right there again.
So wait the man,
Turn
you
right in, sir.
have to go make it regular, man. It seems like the people
We say we can show
love
that,
this
that's
thing.
a Jimmy.
Food company, farmer, conductor, the man do everything to survive. That is Gaza.
Alright. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Call me wife. Tell him to call Terry. Terry Farm.
One man on credit left for the phone.
Tell him to ring about them and Jimmy going in there.
Yes. Oh, we don't have a phone.
What kind of company food delivery service this?
Power service, but the person not there. Jimmy will
Watch it.
come back up the road.
What the heater for the food? I want it.
Yeah, no, say food that or regular box, you know, back in the days, box giant, whole eat, you know. Very could we have many food stuff people are coming like crazy.
You never bring no food on the road for me.
No, because we say I have to come run for the location. Special juice when you say drink where I give it, so we have to run if you buy it.
Yeah, you know, so I have to go stop at one place and buy it.
We have rum around here that's selling us, so you can buy rum, we drink it.
You sell the rum?
Yeah.
The bottle of rum?
Anything that buy a bottle, we have crate by crate.
Okay. Buy a bottle of rum.
Yeah, we drink.
Yeah, man. So, okay, make we do it that way then.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see him? Him.
Yeah, when I jump this man, straight I go Jimmy. When I jump this man, I get everything all time.
You see him? Don't bring him nowhere for have your back and give him drinks. He done.
He not junk, you know, he just a wait for a fight to over. He's a man who like the violence, but we have to cut him out of violence.
Yeah.
We have to take him out of dark stage out of life.
Yeah.
And put him in new stage. We just want to find one decent girl for him.
It's a woman we are looking for.
Yeah, because A long time now get no woman, so
Boy. Boy.
it's strong for them.
Hey, you sure you want to tell the world that?
You have to tell you have to be real. You have to be real. Talk it. Jimmy, we go straight here. We are growing hospital away. We have another food we let off right around the road. So
make sure you continue.
So we're going to put out the number to the world now.
but you can't link up. Just link up Randy if you're interested in a Rasta.
See him there.
You
Ladies,
have
see
your
him
own
there.
ground.
He want to get married and have a youth. Ladies, if you don't want to get married, see him there. The man is ready. Jimmy, you married yet? You ready for married too? Guys already taken.
You know, I'm married and proud. With 5 kids. No white thing already. We're not very. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is man.
I wonder why me always in this color shirt. People, don't get it twisted, yeah? We not preach no politics or nothing, but this morning, after I wake up at night, 3 o'clock, grab a fast shower, and I say, wife, you have to give me a shirt, you just fling out, how many of them you just fling out a shirt, yeah? As I eat in the kitchen from 3:30. And now I just get a look easy pump on the road, and wife run a yard, see him, and we have 1 million more food on a yard. Some people have to wait, so I give thanks. We give thanks to everybody who buy, give thanks to who order and change their mind. Just appreciate for everything who come out and give support, same way.
Would you open up a restaurant?
Yeah, it depends. If I open a restaurant, I have no time for the farm, and you know the farm is the thing. And restaurant, if you run a restaurant, you have to do it. As a head chef, you better food when it tastes good. When food, good quality people buy. That is the thing. And it makes no sense. If I'm in a farm.
You are a Jason, who cook better?
You know, I'm a teach Jason to cook.
Eh? What's the master chef here?
Straight up where I go.
Straight up.
I don't cook. Somebody have a teeth. I cook. I don't know if I cook.
Jason can't do anything, but you know, you need a decent girl who can wash, clean, know if you cook. A woman in a toe nagging. A woman that can take in frustration when he's ready. A child broke him out and weed that can take time, but I weed calm him brain. That is medicine.
You know, since I ain't go beach the other day. Hey, boy, go beach, you know.
But now you can't down son of white in a find him sea locks them. Rental jet.
Yeah.
People don't watch him relax. But she on the headside. But she see the headside.
I have to go rent him out, man.
See all the bad band then I turn. But I weed.
Next time I go take him to the grill.
Yeah, we tell Randy say we're going to give him a full road trip one day. Early morning. No, man, I saw we have a straight up.
Somebody can go on, but we don't want to go out there and go out.
Yeah, because some bad man for the road.
You don't put on an indicator and them go across the road.
Everybody have look for the food, see Nicky food and Nicky not to top and have a big Lenny food.
Which part I got? Tell me if you stop there.
When you reach up at the plaza, you turn inside. And you know that I come here. The man say, you know, calling me water, please. Randy, you have no phone that you can call me for?
All over.
All over. I know some people are calling me and say, you the call me say, yeah, the man say, I say, you do the right thing.
Whoa.
Like, share and subscribe to this, so they do the right thing.
Yeah, do the right thing. Doing the right thing, Jamaica good life. It's only right. Have to keep it positive. This is Jamaica, lovely. So,
Return resident and we're gonna go place a crime there. Crime there all over the world, you know, madam.
yeah.
So return resident live in a gated community. Security, everything.
Yeah.
Move along. People don't feel about them. Anytime you see a return resident dead and then family member kill them. And some return resident come there with some young boy where and some young boy they one bag of thing and they mix up. You see it? So you can't blame the whole Jamaica for them bad action when they come here and do. Although we know so what people don't do is right. But you have to categorize and make people know say, yeah, hear me? And what you do fall back on you, you know. But I don't know if people are killing nobody and bury people in a shallow grave. A gang member kill them and they do them or something. You know where shrimps go? No. I know. I'll drop off this Lenny. This will go to Lenny.